Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. You may choose to sit cross-legged on the ground or in a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Light a candle or incense if you wish. Or place your hands on your favorite crystal or talisman to connect with its energy. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, holding it for a moment. And then exhale fully through your mouth. Let your shoulders relax and your body soften with each breath. Repeat this 2 more times. Breathing in peace and exhaling tension. Now bring your attention to your body. Feel the parts of you that are in contact with the earth, the soles of your feet, your legs, or your seat. Imagine the earth beneath you, steady and strong, alive with energy and wisdom. Picture yourself as a mighty tree. Feel your spine straighten, your shoulders drop, and your head rise tall, as if reaching for the sky. Visualize roots growing from the base of your spine and the soles of your feet. These roots are strong, thick, and glowing with an inner light. With each breath, see your roots extending deeper into the earth. They weave through soil, stones, and minerals, seeking the earth's core. As your roots journey deeper, they absorb the nourishing energy of the earth, its stability, strength, and wisdom. Feel this grounding energy begin to flow up through your roots into your body. As the energy moves upward, let it fill you. Your feet feel strong and steady. Your legs are firm and rooted. Your torso is vibrant and centered. Your arms, shoulders, and hands feel connected to the magic of the earth. Your mind clears, grounded in the present moment. Take a moment to visualize the earth's energy pooling in your center, perhaps in your solar plexus or heart, forming a glowing ball of light. This light holds the power of the earth, steady, calm, and infinite. Let it grow, filling your entire body with warmth and strength. Now, as you prepare for your ritual or magical working, silently affirm, I am rooted in the earth, steady and strong. The energy of the earth flows through me, grounding my spirit and empowering my magic. With this connection, I am in harmony with all that is above and below. Take a few more deep breaths. feeling the strength of your roots and the earth's energy within you. When you are ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, returning your awareness to your surroundings. Open your eyes, feeling grounded, calm, and ready for your ritual. You are now deeply connected to the earth, ready to channel this grounding energy into your spell work or ritual. Blessed be.